Fix AMD Error 1603. So the first step, you're going to head up with search and type in CMD, then you're going to run it as administrator and then click on yes. And then once on this, you're going to type in dism space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health and click enter. Then you want to run this scan. We can run it in the background as you complete the next step in the video, so you just want to minimize this. And now for the next step, you're going to head up with search and type in add REM programs. Click on it, and then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down so you find anything that says Microsoft Visual C++. I only got one of them. You may have more. You want to do this for all of them. So once you find that, you want to click on the 3 dots and then click on modify and then click on yes. And then once run this, you want to click on repair. You now want to repair every single Max Visual C++ that you have. And then once you've done that, you'll want to go back to CMD, wait for the scan to be fully completed. Once you fully complete the scan, you then want to restart your computer and then from should be fixed. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.